Hi everyone, I really appreciate you stopping in today. I have this box here, and this is from Lurella, and this is the July box. Keep glowing with Lurella, it says on the inside. Always packaged beautifully right there. Before we get started, Lurella is $29.99 a month. Free shipping. I think we pay tax. There's free shipping in the U.S. 5 to 7 Lurella beauty products, not always makeup. And they're usually Lurella brands. I wanted to share with you the lipstick I'm wearing. This is from Mirabella, and if that gives you a hint, it's a bright pink, beautiful packaging right here. This is the shade, so I have that on. Feels nice, feels wonderful. I just wanted like a vibrant pink today. I did have a different top on that had pink in it, but I'm like, ugh. It's so hot today. I'm like, I just don't want to wear it. So I changed into just a comfy tee. So let's see what we have in this box. We're just going to open it. Wow, that's a big palette. First item that I see is Lurella and Peanuts. So this is the Peanuts lip kit, lip liner, and lip gloss. Okay. That's nice. I'm excited for that. So here's the lip liner. And it's like a creamy gel type lip liner. And let's see what it looks like. And it is a neutral, like more on the brownies tones right there. Brown tones, I should say, not brownie. You tell I'm hungry. I'm not eating yet today, and it's like noon. And this is in Charlie, the lip gloss. Nice packaging. And let's see what you look like. So you're nice, would look nice together. Let me just put a little bit more on my hand so you can see. Right there. Nice. Like that. Not disappointed with that at all. That's cute. And then we have this small black bag. Plastic. I don't like things in plastic. And then this is what it looks like. Nice little like mini train case type thing here. Oh, and this has product in it. Nice. So I like the lip gloss set. So last time I got a black one. Now I have a blue one. These are really comfortable and nice, so I'm happy for that. Ooh, this is a nice way to do a box. Put everything inside. So we have 5 makeup brushes from Lurella. You can see them right here. 5 individuals. Nice. We have the Glow Up Compact Mirror. These are wonderful to have. I have one in my bag, and I keep it. It's a round one that has a light on it. Obviously, this one has a light too, because here's the charging. And this is in a pretty blue, like you can see. Great for your bag. This should be magnetic. They usually are. Ooh, that's nice. I can't show you the mirrors, but the up here is down. This lower mirror is regular, and up here is, I don't know what the magnifying is. I would say that's pretty good magnifier wise. And then the light, it needs a charge, but nice. And then your light is all along the rim of this one, but how nice and compact. I like that. That might replace the one that's in my handbag right now. What I do with the charging cable, I'll have to charge that up, but I love these. I have shared some of these in the past. Like, I can only use so many mirrors. And then we also have a Nourishing Facial Mask in Mango, which I love getting these. I have tried a few, and they are very nice. So, and then the inside of the bag is right here. So, you can see the depth. It's not massive, but my makeup bag is probably bigger than this from IPSY. It has a little zip up here that if you wanted to put looser, smaller, like samples, sometimes I do that in the top, and then some of your bigger items in the bottom. But that's a great way of doing that, putting everything right in the bag. And then with the peanuts lip kit, that's really nice. I like that. And then, but not to disappoint, we do have a huge palette, and this is On the Edge Volume 2. Okay, let me open this. Everything is always nice and sealed. Let's take the plastic off and see what this looks like. The big palette. Get the plastic off. I have some new products that I ordered and should be doing some reviews on over the next couple days. Once again, beautiful palette here. Let's open this up. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful mirror. Protective shield. Wow. Okay. So now these are perfect for me. And I would use every one in here except probably the black. I love a good gray. That's great for like using it for a liner. This is stunning. An all neutrals palette. Thank you, Lurella. It's like I'm so tired of the bright pinks and the reds and the blues, and this is stunning. Like, I will use the gray. It's a really nice eyeshadow. It's a good corner, you know, when you have to deepen the corner instead of always using brown or black. Use a gray, and that it works with most shades. This is stunning, and their formula is always so nice. So I am happy to have that palette. So I don't remember if I kept Volume 1, if we ever got Volume 1. I'm really not sure. Last month the box was way better, and now this one is taking it up an even higher notch, almost getting back to the way Lurella used to be. Maybe they just were having some growing pains, or trying to get new products in, do, you know, collabs like with peanuts to get products like this, things of that nature. So, you know, I guess every brand has growing pains or has a period of time where it's, you know, mediocre. But now I noticed last month and this month we're starting to get back to the Lurella that I fell in love with. So hopefully they continue on this path. I'm excited to then see what the next month has. So let me know your thoughts. Do you get Lurella? I know a few of you do. And if you got your box, are you excited for the... like, I'm excited for everything in here. The brushes, I probably will share because I don't need any more brushes. But if I needed brushes, I would keep them in a heartbeat. And I have in the past. Because, you know, that's how you build a collection of brushes. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to know. Do you have a favorite product? What do you think of the palette? All that good stuff. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Wherever you are... If you're in the U.S., stay cool. It is hot, 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 hot. And it doesn't look like it's coming to an end, at least on the East Coast. So stay cool, stay comfortable. And, you know, for those that live in different areas of the world where it might be wintertime for you or colder for you, stay warm and, you know, bundle up. It's a good time to stay in the house and catch up on YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.